Damn, what's up guys? I just woke up, my hair's kinda, yeah, my hair's, done my hair on the bed. Well, I'm gonna go get a bull bar for my car. Found it on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm heading to go get it. Woo. Turn this down. Oh, get the.
Are you recording?
Yeah, it's my wife. My so pregnant wife, about ready to do anytime here. But yeah, we're gonna go get my bull bar, and after that, and then I'll come back. So I'll try to go to GPS to find this place, and my iPhone is going crazy here. I think there you go. Yeah, I think it's like that. Alright, here we go. Well, I just got my bull bar, and the dude is pretty cool. Comes with fog lights, LED fog lights. So I'm not gonna use those. I'm gonna use those for the roof. Yeah, come back when I get home. Oh yeah, we got the bull bar right in here. Oh. There it is. Let me take it out. So here's the bull bar that I just picked up for 50 bucks. It was for a Tacoma, I forgot what year. Okay, it looks pretty good. Well then, I'll mock it up and I'll be right back. Well, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut this thick piece of screw, and then I'm gonna attach it from the bottom because I gotta custom fit it. So how it look is I'm going to try to use this guy, this hole here, connected to one of these right here. So which both sides are sent in too far, and I can turn this around. But if I turn that around, this guy will hit the bumper. I don't want to cut the bumper anymore. But if I turn that around like that, it'll hit down here. I done took this side off, throw on the other side, but no difference. Best bet, so I don't have to cut any metal off my car, is to make that long extension both through inside here to one of these bolts, and that would look good. Yep. And after that, I gotta see if those lights work.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
And now we got two. I'm almost saying link, but it don't really matter. And let's hit back. So then I didn't have the right nuts. Only got, well, I don't have enough nuts. So I only got 2. I need 8 in total, so I need to go buy 6 more nuts. I got my piece of screw cut out. So then after that, it should be installed. So I gotta run to Lowe's Hardware to go get my items. And after that, we could go from there. I guess baby. See you, boo. Pull up, and this is what I see. Now that is rad. Look at this guy. Barely see him. So finally back, and this is what I got. Some nuts and bolts, washers. So this is how it's gonna be. Looking like installed. And after that, I'm gonna put another then I couldn't find the right one, so I had to use these Loctites. But these hold better than these anyways. So then yeah, I'm gonna hook it up, and after that we'll see how it look like. This guy right here is in the way. Whenever I put this long end on it, the nut will be on contact with it. So that part right there will touch the fucking nut. Grind that out quick. Well, I finally got it installed. It's kind of wobbly. If I had to make another mount for it, so it won't be so wobbly. I don't want it to fall off. Now here, this is what I did. Rig that up. Tighten it real tight. Make sure it stayed on. And took out these lights because I don't want to run these. Probably throw this in my rack or something. I'm gonna put these on. Hopefully it's good. Yeah. I can't get the nuts. I might have some in here. Let me check. Oh yeah, they got some right here. Get on this side. Looks pretty darn good. And then at last, finally done. I had to do some welding, stuff like that, because down here was pretty, let's see my light. I had to weld this on there because it was too bouncy. So right now, not bouncy. And put my mounts on there. So it looks like. Alright, I forgot to show what I did. I've been driving the car for a couple days, and I welded another bracket down here. Keep it more stable. This bracket here that I welded, another one right onto the tow hook, which I don't really care about it. So if I don't need it, I can chop it off. I still need to make another place for to tow the car. And then I cleaned up my wires down here. That's what I did too down here. I put this little bumper stopper right here, so whenever I drive it, it won't be so bouncy, because it barely bounces anymore. And some people gonna hate on me because for what I didn't buy the right stuff. Yeah, of course I didn't buy the right stuff for a reason, because it's 50 bucks. And why not rig it up when I have the tools to do it? So, let me show you how sturdy it is. It's pretty sturdy. Yep. But then, it's more for show instead of for more of what it's made for. If I'm get a real one that's meant for the car, I would spend like about almost $200, which that's out of my budget. And 50 bucks, I'd say that's a killer deal right there. Oh yeah, and then I do plan on to getting lighter wheels, because these steel wheels are just too heavy. I want some aluminum wheels, probably something I can find online or on Craigslist, something like that. Gas mileage suck ass. Yeah, of course, everybody knows that has to lift the CRV or bigger wheels on the CR. Okay, I'm over here at Cal's house, and we're gonna go take some videos and stuff. Dad, the rain's coming. Okay, let's get the fuck out here.